On your mum's bed. Hi, baby. Hello, Blondie.
Hello.
You should be working on the railways. You shouldn't be down here skiving. Hello, young dog. Are you Italian? Are you Spanish? You're not English, are you?
Yeah.
Are you English? You look very wild and exotic. Oh, are you sure you're not on the railways?
Should be.
Dobry.
Dobry.
Jak się masz? Moje żony jest polskie. Bijaczka bijała.
Yeah, you should see your faces. But wait, it gets better. Watch this now. I'm going to swallow this kid here. Hello, what's your name? Hugo. Rocco, where you from, Rocco? From over there. Rocco, look at the crowd and give a big smile. This is the last one. When they cut, you bow, yeah? Okay, don't worry. Right, here we go. This is what we... Here we go. Don't worry, I'm not going to beat you like a mother, yeah? Watch this. I need to warm up everyone here first. Everyone together, give me a ooh. Everybody, not just the kids and the alcoholics. Everyone, give me a ooh. Give me a ah. Ooh. No, you didn't have to do it. It's alright. Rock, yeah? Okay, watch this. Do you recognize me?
Primeira Coca-Cola da Paula em Londres foi naquela mesa ali, eu e o Marcelão. Primeira Coca-Cola, ficou vingado. Dia do caralho,
I've seen that movie before. You left me standing here, leading me to your door. Wild and windy night, let the rain washed away. Times I've tried, but still they lead me back to the long and winding road. You left me waiting here a long, long time ago.
Hello.